in this part of the chapter, I'm going to explain about the processing devices. So first of all, we have to know about what is processing. Processing is means that the transformation of data into information. As we already know that computer is the main purpose of the computer is to transform the data into the information, and it shows in various output devices like monitor, printer, etc. Okay, so processor is an integral part of a computer system, which is basically known as a processing device, and it is a kind of a microchip which is found in the cabinet or is called as a CPU box inside a CPU box, and it is sometimes it is also known as the brain of the computer. Its main function to perform calculation and processing data into information. Okay, so what does it do? It takes the input from various input devices, processes it, and gives to the output devices. And so through the output devices like printer, monitor, etc. And also save and also go to the various storage devices for saving the data and information for future use. Okay. The main manufacturing company of the processor inside a computer system is that is the Intel. Apart from the Intel, there are also CPU manufacturing companies like AMD, NVIDIA, etc. But Intel is much far better than all these. Okay. So inside a CPU, we can categorize into three sections. That is the ALU, control unit, and MU. These sections have their internal functionality. उनका अलग अलग काम होता है और वो सेक्शन अलग अलग काम करके पूरे होल प्रोसेस को जो है एक सीपीयू जो है वो सारा आउटपुट देता है. तो एलयू जो होता है, एलयू बेसिकली अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल यूनिट है. इसका नाम से पता चलता है कि इसका परफॉर्मेंस, इसका जो काम है वो डिपेंड करता है अर्थमेटिक, कंपैरिजन और लॉजिकल फंक्शनलिटी पे. यानी कहने का मतलब है एलयू जो सेक्शन है वो अर्थमेटिक कैलकुलेशन वगैरह, कंपैरिजन वगैरह और लॉजिकल फंक्शनलिटी काम करता है. अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशन में कह सकते हैं आप एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन का ये काम करता है सेक्शन. कंपैरिजन सेक्शन इन्वॉल्व द कंपैरिजन between the one item to the another item, one data to the another data, that is the greater than, smaller than, or less than equal to, or greater than equal to. And the logical operations use condition along with logical operators such as and, nor, or not. So ALU is basically responsible for all kinds of calculation, either for the mathematical calculation or logical or comparison calculation. Okay. Apart from the ALU, there is a section that is the control unit, which main functionality to perform to control all the functionality of the computer during the processing. Okay, it also check the result given by the ALU. जो भी ALU से result आता है उसको वो check करता है और उसको क्या करना चाहिए और कब करना चाहिए इसका भी performance का भी ये सारा का सारा controlling करता है. And the third one is the memory unit, which holds the temporarily data before processing and after processing by the processor. यानी प्रोसेस्ड होने के पहले जो भी डेटा है आपको टेम्पोरली यहाँ पे मेमोरी में स्टोर होता है और प्रोसेस्ड होने के बाद भी डेटा टेम्पोरली मेमोरी में स्टोर होता है. So in this way, these three units collectively perform their function, and the processor can do their work from transforming the data into information. Okay, I hope so you can understand what is the role of the processor inside a computer system, because it is simply like a brain as a human being. Without a processor, the computer cannot do anything, because the main purpose of the computer is to transformation of data into information, and the only the device which can perform that is the processor, that is the CPU. Okay, I hope so all of you understand this topic. Thank you very much.